the Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 16, Perfect Laser Beam Alignment.
Now today we're going to look at mirrors. But we already looked at mirrors in the first session. Yeah, we looked at the mirrors themselves, and personally it offends me when I look in a mirror because I'm not as handsome as I think I should be. But in this case, what we're trying to do is we're trying to conduct the laser beam that we spoke about last time around the machine. And to do that, we have to use mirrors. But the problem is that most people really struggle to set their mirrors to get the laser beam aligned correctly. Now, there are hundreds of videos out there on YouTube which purport to tell you how to set your beam. They go through the very simple steps and procedures, but they don't explain why you're doing it and what you're trying to achieve. Now, my goal is to try and explain to you exactly how you set your beam, why you're doing it in the way that you're doing it.